smallest griddle. Look at that. But I think it's going to be the perfect size for these micro bluegill that we're going to be cooking up on the half shell. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode with the Fishless Fisherman, and boy do we have something crazy going on today in this video. We are going to be cooking some micro bluegill on the half shell on probably what is the world's smallest griddle. That's right, the smallest griddle. So before we get into the cooking, I want to show you guys a few clips of me catching the fish at the creek. Now there's not going to be any audio because they were having a wedding at the creek last night when I went fishing. So to be respectful, I wanted to make sure that I didn't interrupt their ceremony. Alright guys, so we're going to take these fillets and we're just going to hit it up with some of this Kinder's caramelized onion butter seasoning. Ooh. Came out a little bit faster than I was hoping it would. Now remember, these are micro bluegill. We're going to cook them on the half shell. So we left the scales on. I'm also going to hit it up with some paprika just to give it a little bit of color. Oop. Might have over seasoned it, but oh well, we'll see how it tastes. Alright, so since this is the first time that we are using this griddle, we're gonna get a little olive oil on it just to season it up a little, just like you would your black star on. This will help it'll help keep the fish from sticking to it. Alright, there you go. So that is the smallest griddle I think I've ever seen. We're cooking on this small camp stove. We'll let that warm up, then we're going to get our fillets, skin side down on it, and start cooking them from the bottom up. Guys, I just got 3 micro bluegill fillets on this tiny griddle. That looks pretty freaking awesome right there. So we're just going to let this cook. It's going to cook from the underside up to the top. So once that meat gets to like an opaque white color, gets a little flaky, we'll be able to eat. Alright guys, so here you go. 3 bluegill fillets on the half shell on my mini griddle. And I've got my mini fork. So, look at that. Flaky white meat. It's pretty good. I'll pick it up, it's cooled down enough. So there's the bottom. So, the meat just peels right off the bone. Pretty good. It's a good little appetizer on a camping trip on the mini griddle. But anyway, appreciate you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Mom, love you and miss you. Wish you were here enjoying this with me. Until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. All right, what'd you catch, Robert?
Catfish.
Is that your first one?
It's my first catfish.
Yeah. What are you gonna name him? Whiskers?
Yes.
Hold it up.